where we are world famous for being world famous. My name is Skipper Michael, but you can call me nothing. Please don't talk to me. Now, of all the jungle cruises out there, this one is undoubtedly one of them. Anyone's first time on the jungle cruise? Just mine. Thought we were in the same boat. Now, we are going to begin the cruise in the Amazon rainforest. It's actually a mist forest, in case you missed it. Now, you're going to see some Amazonian margarine flies. I know what you're thinking now. I can't believe it's not butter. Yeah, they're not what they used to be, folks. Caterpillars. Yeah. Now here we have Inspiration Falls. A lot of people ask me, hey, Skipper Mike, and I say, why would I skip her? She's beautiful. So they say, fine, well then why do you call it Inspiration Falls? Well, we call it that because the more that you stare at all of that running water, the more it will inspire you to have to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, of course. Everyone say, ooh. Everyone go, ah. Inspiration gone. Oh, show of hands, who here has seen the Jungle Book? Alright, well if you haven't, there it is. We got the box set for you. We are in the Congo River now, so we're going to see how far we can go. But first, I do together a little welcoming party for everyone. But, I can't see anyone. Canoe? Oh, you know what? The python up here probably scared them off, but don't worry, folks. They only swallow small children.
I do not like snakes.
No, they're friendly. Sometimes a little too friendly. They can actually develop a major crush on you. It's a very constricting relationship, though. You don't want to get wrapped up in that. Very smothering. Speaking of smothering, my in-laws are here. You know what the difference is between in-laws and outlaws? Outlaws are fun. Oh, now we are entering the Nile River now. Now, this is the longest river in the world, folks. It goes on for over 4,000 miles, but don't worry. I know a shortcut. Oh, that up there, that's my friend Skippy. Skippy's an elephant. Now, fun fact about elephants, they have the best memory of all the animals in the entire jungle. Like that. Oh, he folks on the right side of the boat, that's my friend Skippy. Skippy's an elephant. Now, fun fact about elephants, they have the best memories in the entire jungle. Wish I had a memory like that. Oh, here's our sandstone formation. Now, this is one of our boulder attractions here. You know, a lot of people take it for granted. I think it rocks, but I'm a little sentimental sometimes. True modern marvel. Oh, now here at the African Village, you're going to see some long-necked cheetahs, the guys who killed Mufasa, some striped ponies, some really old ponies, actually. You can tell they're old because they're still in black and white. Those are some fancy chickens. Oh, the really tall ones in the back over there, those are trees. The lions are just sitting down for some zebra. Now, if you look to the left side of the boat, look up the hill, all the way in the back, past the trees over there, you're going to see absolutely nothing. Oh, there's my friend Ina. Everyone say, hi, Ina.
Hi, Ina.
Yeah, I told her not to mess with him, but hey, whatever I know. Oh, if you guys saw the ducks, you line them up every morning. Oh, now coming up here, you're going to see some bamboo. Bamboo can grow up to 6 stories tall. This bamboo is actually 7 stories tall, but that's a whole other story. Oh, now the waterfall up ahead is Schweitzer Falls. Schweitzer Falls was the founder of the Double Navigation Company, Dr. Albert Falls. Yeah, if you don't get that, don't worry, we'll go over it later. Now, I heard that the amount of water that goes over those falls in 1 minute is the amount we drink in our lifetime, but I find that hard to follow. Now, you know, a lot of people do ask me how I landed my job here on the Jungle Cruise, but I think it's pretty plain to see. I took a crash course. My career never really took off, though, so I'm just kind of winging it now. But that's just the tail end of that story. You know what the hardest part about landing a plane is?
Oh, look now.
The ground.
The hippos.
Oh, now don't worry, folks. They always act like they're going to charge us, but they don't even pay their own tolls. They're just a bunch of hypocrites. Yeah, I'm just going to scare them off the same way I scared off my ex-wife.
I'm leaving my 6-figure job to work at Disney World!
That should work. But if one does try to bite you, just reach out your left arm. Then you'll be all right. Okay, now we are heading into headhunter territory. It is a terrible place to be headed. Oh, there's my last crew now. But don't worry, folks. They were a bunch of boneheads. Yeah, I'm sure you folks can put your heads together. Alright, hold on. Let me see if I can translate. Okay, so they are offering us 3 chickens for you. Don't worry, we're not going to do that. Not for less than 4. Oh, no, don't mind them. They're just practicing their Shakespeare. Oh, but now it is the moment that you've all been waiting for. The reason that you came on the Jungle Cruise today, the colossal, the monumental, 8th wonder of the world, the backside of water! I like to make chemistry jokes periodically. I know another one about oxygen and potassium. That one's okay. I was going to use one about sodium, but then I was like, nah. Yeah, chemical jokes don't always get a reaction. Anyway, we are now deep in the heart of Cambodia. This is the Mekong River, which is Mekong me a little nervous. You know, there are a lot of pros and cons to the Jungle Cruise, but up ahead I think I see a sheer con. Skippy's an elephant. Now, fun fact about elephants, they have the best memories of all the animals in the entire jungle. Wish I had a memory like this. Well, now here are a couple of baby elephants bathing under a full moon. You know, baby elephants can grow up to 4 feet. One on each leg.
Oh, well, look.
I think that's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. Everyone's dumb. Everybody, duck! Duck! God, you missed the cutest duck back there. I don't know why y'all bent over for. Just a bit of dry humor for you. Now, I am going to take this moment to point out some of my favorite plants here in the jungle.
I think I can see them.
This next joke is for all you psychics out there.
Psychic?
Okay, now as we approach the dock, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat and watch your children. I don't want anyone to experience any peer pressure. Now, folks, you're going to notice that there are actually 2 docks. There's a dock on the left and a dock on the right. It is a little bit confusing. Some people call them paradox. Unlike those 2 over there, we call them a pair of dorks. They look a little silly in those outfits. Now, again, I would say this color looks good on me, but I don't want to be khaki.
So he's puking.
Now, folks, today's Jungle Cruise was brought to you by the Cannibal Cafe, always looking for new and exciting ways to serve you. Now, we do need everyone seated on their back pockets, please. You folks have all been outstanding today. But in a moment, I need everyone to be outstanding on the dock. But thanks for being so great. I would also like to thank my legs for always supporting me. My arms for always being by my side. My fingers and toes, I can always count on them. My head, it always sticks its neck out for me. My eyes, I couldn't see myself. Now, if you enjoyed today's Jungle Cruise, my name is Skipper Mike, spelled H-E-L-T. The cry is silent. you did not enjoy today's Jungle Cruise, feel free to throw any comments in our blue suggestion box right there on your way out.
Why does your legs look so red?
I do hope you folks have a great day in the Magic Kingdom. It is a little place I like to call work, where dreams come true. Except mine.
I hope you enjoyed Dad's favorite ride, the Jungle Cruise, and don't take it for granted. I know, I stole that from the skipper, but here's a couple other videos you might enjoy. I do Disney outlets, I do Disney parks. If you don't enjoy those, maybe think about becoming a Jungle Cruise skipper. Give that a try.